Hi, folks. It's day 4 of our Kalamazoo cabin build, and we've got the rafters up finally after realizing that this side was pretty much okay, and the other side had some variations in the rafter length, and we finally got them straight. Uh, we're putting barn boards on, and we're putting this OSB sheathing over the top of it, so when they put on the old rusty reclaimed roof steel, um, the screws do not show through into the inside. Otherwise, well, if they did, then they're going to have to go up there and clip them all off, which is a huge pain in the butt to do that. But those are the rafters. Those are basically cut out of 3x12s. We were able to cut them down and get three out of each one. And I got a couple of the window bucks in over here, and I don't know if you can notice it or not, but the window is leaning out because the second log is bowed in really bad. Tomorrow I may try to straighten that with my log bender. Yep, folks, there's actually a log bender. So anyway, I'll show you that tomorrow. Keep watching. Bye bye.